Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Learn Basics! Are you ready for today's learning adventure? Great! We're going to put together the sound of E with the other letters. Letter E. Big E. Small E. E sounds eh, eh, eh. Let's blend the sound of E with the sounds of D, W, T, R, N, M, L, F. Let's do this. E, T, E, T, et, et. Fantastic! How about this? E, L, E, L, L, L. Wow, great job! Another one. E, M, E, M, M. Good job! How about this? E, M, E, N, N. Fantastic! Let's keep on going. Let's blend. E, E, You're doing it well. Let's keep on going. E, W, E, W, U, U. E, F, E, F, F. Good job! Thanks for learning with me today. Please watch and subscribe to this channel so you can catch up with the fun time learning adventures. See you later!